Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable the spam checker on Viber to protect yourself from unwanted messages and suspicious contacts. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on More to access additional settings and features. This is where Viber keeps most of its customization and privacy controls, so it's an important section to familiarize yourself with. Once you tap on More, you'll be taken to a new screen with various options. From here, look for and tap on Settings. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Viber account, from notifications to security features. The Settings menu gives you complete control over how Viber operates on your device. Within the Settings menu, you'll now need to navigate to Privacy. Tap on this option to proceed. The Privacy section is where Viber houses all its security-related features, including controls for who can contact you, see your status, and importantly, protection against spam. This is a crucial area for maintaining your safety and peace of mind while using the app. After entering the privacy settings, scroll through the available options until you locate Auto Spam Check. This feature is specifically designed to automatically scan incoming messages and identify potential spam or suspicious activity. It's one of Viber's built-in protections to keep your messaging experience clean and secure. Now here's the key step. Tap on Auto Spam Check and you'll see a radio button next to it. If the radio button is currently checked, that means the spam checker is disabled. To enable it, simply tap the radio button to uncheck it. This action activates Viber's spam detection system, which will now actively monitor your incoming messages and flag anything that looks suspicious or unwanted. This helps protect you from scammers, bots, and other malicious contacts. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the spam checker on Viber and your account is now better protected against unwanted messages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.